that affect the societies. So the Bible tried to educate us this morning, and I want you to take it serious as God is speaking to you. Ephesians chapter 5 verse 15, that you should live your life as wise, not as unwise, as smart, not as foolish. So you try to live your life. Make a good choice today, even in the aspect of life, career, destiny, marriage, relationship, and any other things you will do. Make a very good decision today that you know you will not regret it tomorrow. I pray as we are here, may the Lord bless His word in our heart. Give us the grace to make a good decisions according to the will of God in our life, fulfilling our destiny in life through Christ. The camera.